Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to install Kyocera Ecosys M2640 IDW quick scan setup. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. I have already downloaded drivers in my PC. Okay, open folder. Yes, Kyocera scanner. Open this. Click on setup. Okay, click on accept, click on express installation. You see device list, printer is available. Click on next. Driver is installing, please wait. Kyocera quick scan is installing. Okay, in this installation, three stages. First is Kyocera Taiwan drivers, second is Kyocera quick scan, third one is uninstaller. Okay, uninstall is installing. Okay, installation complete. Click on OK. Okay, uninstaller is installing complete. Click on finish. Okay, this scanner is two option. One is USB, another is Ethernet or LAN. Okay, I am installing here by using LAN. Click on finish. Close this. Open Kyocera quick scan. Okay, click start scan. Scan is processing, please wait. Okay, you see pop-up is open. Scanning is a progress. Okay, scanning is complete as a PDF. Scanning is completed. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.